Babukele emakhaya solo sikhona la iTV Trust kuyo ke eMpumalanga Ethu TV nginaseswethu la ul actor ukhona la kule series comedy sesiwami
Yes.
awungitshela ukuthi ngubani wakabani usuka phi nokuhlala ne and then yini role yakho lapho kule comedy wendani
Okay, mina igama lami Busisiwe
Yeah.
Makumbela, ngihlala khona la iTV.
yes
I-role yami ngimage.
make
Yes.
yes
Umage wa Samson.
yeah
Lo wamukela makoti.
yes
So lapha I play ukuthi salobolela Samson without my mother's permission.
okay
So
no ngasikhona lo ngifihlela khona uthi le mali nayitholaphi ake sicale lapho
le mali bengisaya khona ngoba
Okay.
le mali sayithatha i-commission yamake.
okay dikumbesheni yamake
Yes.
nihamba nolobola ngayo
Yes, disability pension.
beyangathi ma
Bekade make simfihlele. Make sewakwata make uyambona makafika lapha vele uthukuthele.
yeah
So nami bese ngithukisa ngathi ngichaza njani.
ngiyakuva
Ngoba ngalala nomakoti naye akasi akhuthadi make vele bangayithanzi lento leyo.
bengayithanzi
Senathi ngayinda liphutha ukuthi ngiyamfihlela, ngayinda konke lokuya.
yes alright siswami ngiyakuva so awutshele mina ungene njani lapho kule series comedy series
Mina nkinga umuntu bubbly.
yes
Ngithanda ukucoca.
yeah
So mayisefika le part leyo vele ngaba interested kuyo because ifundisana labanye ukuthi bangafihli imfihlo ungabethi khona bakhona ukukhuluma nebatali babo uma ngabe into ka something bakhona ukucoca ukuthi hayi make kusena ile so noma ngengekho
Yeah.
angathi vele umuntu omdala efona akayisebenzisi kakhulu uyafona usho make or ufonele malume ngicela unide make ifoni wendele so ifuna kuyenda so sesitova ngama ukuthi akavuma kuma njani
Yes.
so my point is yonke lo yendako dlulisa tuke umuntu lomdzala
yes dlulisa tukumuntu omdzala
Yes.
noma ngaba yini dlulisa tukumuntu
noma ngabe
omdzala
kuyini angakuzwende into bese yaphumelela ngaphandle komuntu omdzala because mangafika into moshakala
and even etibusiso ufuna uthele ukuthi umuntu omdzala
yeah
ngiyakuva so utshele mina lapho nje uma kushuthwa lapha ngoba nami nginokuvela lapha ngibone yonke into lendeka lapha ngimuphi umatima lokuke wahlangabetana nabo lapha nibhizi
yeah okay because it's my first time
yeah
so and I mean mangikhuluma I'm stuttering nokuthi ngiyastart
Yes.
kume fast nani so labo cut action cut yabona you have to collect all the information back and start again
just
and
manje
lapho
lapho
cut you have to start again
lapha ke ngani bakedisa or
lapha na
kunema director
yeah the art directors
Yes.
and bona bamsebenza kuba wadi
Yes,
so
yes.
if ngabe bakutshela something you have to do it hayi ukuthi ngoba baya fostela or hayi ukuthi bafuna ukuthi bayende ngentando yabo no it's because bafuna ukwenza ube professional
ngiyakuva sisi
because sonke sawona amaphutha but they know ukuthi okay if you know 1 2 3 let's
Yeah.
correct 1 2 ukuze nawe ube perfect
ngikuva kahle
yes so that's the thing
sesinayi i-series eyeni lana ye-comedy iyaphuma nje ngoDisember kuye kuthini noma ufuna kubatshela kuthini abantu baselokishini TV Trust kaBhokweni njengoba iphuma ufuna kuthini kahle kahle
well njengoba iphuma December
yes
ngifuna ukusho ukuthi uma umuntu
Yeah.
ungathatheli pass
yes
whatever opportunity levelako isebenzise
Na kanjani?
use it because asisinyalo sayenda lena ne
Yeah.
yaphumelela siyavela kuma TV nanani you're going to get opportunities bakubona lapho uthi
Yes.
ay lona une experience or lona ayisiyamfuna uactor kahle
yeah
that's where now utakhona kuba utokhula that's where growth starts
ufuna okay qhubeka sesoro kubamba
thina
mlomo
lamakhaya
Yeah.
inkinga sisalana phansi siyahlekana
Yes.
umuntu 1 2 3 1 2 3 but then awadi ukuthi in future ikuyendelani le
yena lo muntu okhulumako abe ayinani ngalesikhathi leso
uhleti
Uhleti.
akayende lutho and ngoba bahlala banana ama judgment
okay okay
so lento lena efuna umuntu lotatiko lotithembayo ukuthi okay fine send this thing we don't know ukuthi you phela kuphi but
Yes.
the fact ukuthi you've tried
yes
and bakubonile labakubonako bakubona ukuthi okay une potential singamsebenzisa 1 2 3 or singalungisa leli phutha leli
Yes.
semende abe umuntu so that's
awutshele mina lapha kuma director ne
Yeah.
and then uma bakutshintsha ne because I know like i-acting baveme kutshintsha ama-character
ama-characters,
yeah batshintshe buwena bakho bakufake ngalenye indlela kuthini kuwe la
No, I won't say anything bad, but
Yes.
some guys, my characters that are hidden inside. So, keep lena, you have to now try to say, okay, now, I'm in a bad situation.
Yes.
Meaning, it's the way. What thing I call. I said, Jabile,
Yeah.
it's the way which I will call. And I'll dictate it because. Bafuna kubona your potential.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ofitha kuphi. Asithi yalo ngomagetala uyakhathatha.
yeah
Vele ufuna ukhathatha.
yes
Nyalo umagetala lo soft lo sweet ufuna ube noma so asithi nyalo bakhethe two mark characters
yes
bitter and you're nice.
Yeah.
Asithi le bitter ngile kufanelako.
Okay.
That's where you can get opportunities somewhere. Le sweetness ayikufaneli maybe abasakuthandi ngaleyo ndlela leyo but the bitterness leyo lwendile ngilabo ukuthi khona ukuthi bakuthathe khona bakwendele something else.
ake utshele mine mfana kagogo
Yes.
because nguyento siphethe la kule comedy series ngaphi amagama lo ufuna kuwasho kuye yeah
As our neighbor.
yes
Umfana gogo ama TikToks wakhe
Yeah.
doing comedies and all that
Yes.
like Matthew and all that. So wangitshela about this thing ukuthi hayi gogo man sina 1 2 3 ngicela upass the page. I was like, I mean that.
Yo.
I'm not fit for that. Ngala mahloni.
esana
But ngabona ukuthi hayi you know what ne asikhuphukisi kabokweni.
yes
Impumalanga babona ukuthi nathi we have the
Sikhona,
potential,
man.
we have the talent.
yeah
Hayi ngoba singcono kumbe we think we're better than the other ones and but the potential ikhona
ikhona la
eMpumalanga.
khaya yes
Just ukuthi sidinga ama fans, sidinga directors bakhona ukusibeka endaweni le right. Yes, thina sibaningi abantwana abaningi.
baningi kakhulu sis baningi
Sihlangene
kakhulu
mahlele ekhaya sihlangene.
kungiloko nje
We need people who's gonna direct us, put us la kudingeka ukuthi sibe khona. Yes.
so nayi
So to umfana gogo I say I'm very proud of him. Mncane usafunda isikolo but then le potential le talent lanayo it's more than that.
yes
So sibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi umbusisile wasimbusisa nangathi ukuthi sibe khona. Khona ekuphilisana understanding. Yes.
nayi series yaphuma sesingo December kuthini kuwe balandzeli bafana kagogo balandzeli bethu la emakhaya njengoba iphuma iplan lekhona kuthiwe itawudlala lamakhaya lamalokishini emasontweni emaholweni ufuna kuthini kubabukela emakhaya balenzeleni
Abalindele lapha
kule series yeah
ngicela ukuthi nilindele umaketala
kuhle kwakuphela
lokhuluma tindzaba ezingaphili lapha
kuyahlekwa lapha
sathi sibakhona babulu bekhaya bodizwa
yeah but hayi lefana nalethi leti la kule series
leti tiphuma phecelezi la eMpumalanga
ungufa kahle la kaBhokweni eTV Trust
sitakhele khona
yeah
so babukeli emakhaya ngicela ukuthi nilinzeleni mfana kagogo
Yes.
iseries yethu
Yes.
iyaphuma lathi nene bomaketala balobola bangatsheli bomakwabo ukuthi kwendakalani
Bumnandi phela.
Benetino
Yes.
bangatsheli lapho umsindo wakhona nkosi yami bomake beliwe
lapha ngichaza ngumalume
Pithi sadide awu malume
malume nethi yavumbuka khona nje yonke into emoshakala malume lavumbuka khona yonke into emoshakala
Umosha kwasana
Bafowethu.
umosha ngisho utshwala umosha ngikulumo
nayi
umosha
series
nayi
bafowethu
kwasana
nayi series bafowethu khona la ekhaya eTV Trust kaBhokweni
Ngicela
Bombela
nilindeni, iyabuya.
Mpumalanga eYethu TV bafowethu sibonga kakhulu
asishiseni lapho
danko
danko